Hi, welcome to another podcast where we'll be talking about the ever changing world of fintech. And I'm Ritika, and we have Ashok with us.
Thanks, Ritika. Today we will be focusing on the problems as well as solutions in the fintech payment world. Now, this particular industry is moving really fast, and it's like very important for us who work in this particular industry to be updated at all times.
So, what are the common issues that fintech industry faces right now?
One big problem is that there are different ways to make payments, and businesses and companies find it so hard, to get the correct one, the apt one, to suit their requirements or their needs. Now, issues like choosing from like a basket of payment methods, like they have to ensure that each one is safe and secure, and that the payment experience which they can provide to the customers can be 100% satisfied, guaranteed. So these are so many issues that modern day companies are facing on a daily basis, and it's tiring for them to analyze and research. So it's like when we approach the companies with our product, per se, you can take PayAgency. We have to make sure that there's that transparency there.
Yeah.
Right? We have to understand their needs, and we have to adapt our product to them, not for them to adapt to us.
Yeah.
So that's what fintech industry really needs.
Interesting. Now, let's talk about PayAgency. How does it solve all those issues in the fintech industry?
Well, Ritika, as I mentioned before, there are different payment methods. But before I answer that, I'd just like to ask you a question.
Sure.
Right? Have you ever been to shopping malls?
Yeah.
You did. Window shopping,
Yeah,
everything,
of course.
walking with your friends.
Yeah.
All right. So have you ever spent anything beyond your need? Have you wasted your money?
Yeah.
Why?
Maybe because I don't know if I need it or not.
Correct. So you were not able to pinpoint what you actually require at that time. You seen something you wanted, you
Yeah.
bought it, right? There's so many businesses, in the world today. Okay, probably they're not matched with the perfect player, okay, to suit their corporate needs, or they're not able to, they're not having that confidence or that trustworthiness out there. So that is where PayAgency comes to the picture. We're like the perfect matchmaker in the fintech world. We're able to bring the PSPs, the payment service providers, and the big corporates, all right, on a single table, analyze the pros and cons. If we are able to match and synergize their energies together so that they can grow together in the fintech world. That's what we do.
Great. Ashok, we have talked about the challenges faced in the fintech industry. Now, can you shed some light on how PayAgency features addresses these issues and make life easier for these businesses?
Absolutely, Ritika. PayAgency provides a streamlined onboarding process for the merchants, and it simplifies their interaction with various payment service providers. Okay, and this not only ensures security, but it also ensures a smoother payment experience for the customers. Now, additionally, you can say it's a value-added service. I would say no, because PayAgency works with their heart. We have an in-house team that helps to track, monitor, and guide the businesses, all right, in an efficient way, so that in the future, us along with them can grow together.
With any innovations, there are bound to be skeptics and critics. So, how does PayAgency ensures to handle all these negative comments and to ensure a perfect and positive experience for all their users?
That's an excellent question, Ritika. In the modern era, many companies all over the world, you can either be MNCs or startups. Everyone faces negativity once in a while.
Yeah.
Probably some people face it every day.
Yeah.
What can they do? We can't put a stop to it, right? Here, PayAgency, we'll deal with them head on. We'll welcome it with open arms. Why? That's what our founder taught us. If we have transparency, if we have communication, if we have honesty in what we do to back us up, PayAgency always moves a step forward in the face of negativity. Now, how we deal with it, we'll take our customer complaints, we're prompt in our response, and we ensure that if a bad experience happens today, we ensure that it doesn't happen tomorrow. tomorrow. Correct. Sometimes negativity can help us be better for a better future, right? So we always welcome with open arms. I mean, there's nothing critical there.
Thank you, Ashok, for sharing those insights into PayAgency features and how we can deal with the negative comments and ensuring a positive environment.
My pleasure, Ritika. It's really an exciting journey for me. And I can just tell you one thing for sure, my journey with PayAgency will never end.
Absolutely. As we wrap up this discussion, stay tuned for more interesting facts in Fintech industry. Bye.
While we're making fintech payments more efficient and accessible, later on, guys. Ciao.